So welcome back. In previous session, I've explained you how you can create a 1D NumPy array from a 1D list. Similarly, if you have to create a 2D NumPy array, all you have to do is use a 2D list. Okay. For example, if I create a 2D list, and you know what 2D list is? It's a matrix, right? So if you create a matrix like this, 3, 6, 5, and the second row is, let's say, 7, 8, 2. Okay, and this. Okay, so if I check type of A, as you know, it's a Python list or a matrix because it's 2D. Okay, now if you do A1 equals to np dot array and you simply provide this A, okay, it is smart enough to convert 2D list to a 2D NumPy array. You want to see how? Okay, so if you check type of A1, first of all, it's a NumPy array, and if you print A1, as you can see, first row, second row, as simple as that. Okay, 365 is the first row automatically and 782 is the second row. Now don't worry, this is how a NumPy array gets printed without any comma, but the space is telling you that these are 3 numbers. Okay, so this is just the way it prints. Now similarly, if you want to create a NumPy array of a particular size 2D with all zeros, okay, so in previous lecture I told you that you have to provide a length. For 2D, you have to provide 2 parameters, a tuple of number of rows and number of columns. Okay, so what I can do is I can say A2 equals to np dot array, sorry, np dot zeros, okay, a tuple of number of rows and number of columns. So if I say 2 comma 3, okay, and if I print A2, as you can see, it's a NumPy array of 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns each, all initialized by 0. And if you do A3 or A2 equals to np dot zeros, again a tuple of 3 comma 4, sorry, this time let's do ones. Okay, and if you print 2, okay, as you can see, 3 rows each having 4 columns, so 3 cross 4 matrix, each initialized with 1, and the same concepts that initially it will store everything as float. Okay, I'll tell you how to check the data type, everything in the upcoming sessions. Okay, and these are just decimals. Okay, these are floats, and as you can see, when I specifically print, it shows me this beautiful organized way without any comma. But if you simply write A2 in a notebook, it will give you this array and commas, all the things. Okay, so one last way, that if you directly provide a 2D list, even that works. So if you say A2 equals to np dot array, and instead of first creating a 2D list, you directly write a 2D list here. So 3, 4, 5, comma, okay, 6, 7, 2. Okay, even this is sufficient enough for you to create a 2D NumPy array from a 2D list. I hope that this was useful. Thank you. Hey, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and got to learn something from it. For well-structured guidance and live doubt sessions, you can check out the link in the description below. And the best part about it is that it's completely for free. So keep upskilling yourself, and we wish you all the very best for your journey. Take care.